In this video, we are going to see how to create discount codes in Shopify from Google Sheets. So let's say that you have the data of your clients in Google Sheet and every time a new row is added there. So what you want is that the discount code that you have created here should be created in Shopify, and then a mail should be sent to your customer informing him about the new discount code created. Now, how can that be done? For this, you will have to integrate the three applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. Here, your trigger application would be Google Sheets and your action applications first would be Shopify and second one would be Gmail. Now, how can you do this yourself, integrate and automate this entire process? To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab sign up and it won't take more than 2 minutes. Also, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore the entire application. Now I'm going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user over here. And here we have reached all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. As we do that, here we have reached the dashboard of this application. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. So now my objective is to create discount codes in Shopify from Google Sheets. So I have got the data of my clients in Google Sheets. Now I have created discount codes there. Now these discount codes should be created from my Google Sheet to Shopify. So let's see how. So first I'm going to click on create. Now as I do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one here is action. Triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action here says do this. Basically, action here is the response of our trigger application. So as per this integration, my trigger application would be Google Sheets. Let's click on this. And now the trigger event. So this is the event that will make my workflow start, and here it is going to be new or updated spreadsheet row. So every time a new row is added, then this workflow is going to run. Now here we have received a webhook URL which is going to act as a bridge for connecting Pabbly Connect and Google Sheets. Now we have to follow the following steps to set up this connection. I'm going to show you how. So first I'm going to copy this URL and now I'm going to take you to the discount code sheet that I have created. So this is the sheet. The name of the spreadsheet is discount codes. The name of the sheet is sheet 1. And here I have the following column fields: name, email address, discount rate and discount code. Now to set up the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, I am going to go to extensions. Then let's go to add-ons. Here you will find get add-ons. I'm going to click on this. And here we have reached Google Workspace Marketplace. So here we are going to look for Pabbly Connect webhooks. Let's click on this. And here you can see that there is an application and this application has already been installed on my system. So you have to make sure that you have to install it, and once installed, close this window and refresh the page. This is extremely important. Once you have refreshed it, please wait for a few seconds and then we are going to go back to extensions. And here you would be able to see Pabbly Connect webhooks. We are going to go to initial setup. Here you can see that it has already selected the sheet, and now this URL that we had just copied, I'm going to go here and paste this over here. And now the trigger column. So the trigger column is the final data column where the data is added, and as per this sheet it is column D. So I'm going to write D over here and let's click on send test and then submit. So as soon as we do that, here you can see that the setup has been configured successfully. Also, let me take you to extensions once again, Pabbly Connect webhooks. So here you have to make sure that this send on event has been checked. Why? Because every time the workflow runs, it would be able to send the response only when this has been checked. Once this is done, I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to see if we have received the response, and here it is. This is our trigger column, the name of the spreadsheet, the ID, sheet name, sheet ID, then this is the row index. Then we have the name, email address, discount rate and discount code. Now once we have received this, what do we want? What is our objective? Our objective here is to create a discount code in Shopify. So my next action application would be Shopify Let's click on this. And here, what is my objective? To create a discount code. Let's click on connect. As we do that, here we can see that Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with a Shopify account. And to do the same, I'm going to first click on add new connection. And to set up this connection, we need the admin API access token. So for this, first we have to log into our Shopify account. And then we have to navigate to applications, then develop app. So here we have reached the Shopify account, and here we have to go to settings. Then in settings, here it is written that after login, navigate to applications and then develop app. So we have to go to applications and then we have to go to develop apps. And here let's see what it is written. So here it is saying that create an app and follow the steps as shown in the video. So there's a video dedicated where you can understand how to get this API access token. So let me take you back to Shopify, and here you can see that we have got the tab create an app. Let's click on this. Now let's say the name of the app is new app. Okay. And now I'm going to click on create app. Now here we have to install the app, and it is written to install your app and get an access token. Select your API access scopes. So I'm going to click on this, and as I do that, what am I creating? I want to create a discount coupon. So here I'm going to go down. So here first I'm going to look for discounts and then the price rules. So as I take you down, here we have the price rules. So once this is selected, let's go down, and here for the event version, it is the latest one, and now I'm going to click on save. So here we can see that the configuration has been saved. So once this is done, now let's go to API credentials. So again, I'm going to install this application over here, and this is our admin API access token. So I'm going to quickly copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste this over here. So once done, here we have to enter the subdomain. Now this is the example of a subdomain. So if this is your entire domain, so this XYZ is your subdomain. So let me take you to my Shopify account, and here this part is your subdomain. So I'm going to copy this, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste this over here. Let's click on save. So once we have done this, here we can see that Pabbly Connect is now connected with Shopify. Now to set up this price rule, I'm going to take you back to Shopify, and here we are going to go to discounts. So as we go there, here you can see that I've already created discounts. So now we are going to click on this green tab over here. Let's click on this, and here we are going to click on order discount. Now here, first of all, the discount code. So what is the method? We have got two options. I'm going to click on discount code. So here I wish to create a discount code. Let's say it is PABBC25. Okay. So first of all, we have to create a discount code. So I have created this. Now what is the amount? So it is 25% discount. So do we have a minimum purchase requirement? So yes, we have a minimum purchase requirement of 500. So when the customer buys something which is at least for 500 rupees, then only the person is going to get a discount of 25%. Then customer eligibility, all customers. As I take you down, maximum discount uses. So limit the number of times this discount can be used in total. Limit to 1 use per customer. So I'm going to limit it to 1 use per customer. So can this be combined with shipping discount? So I'm not getting the combinations done. And what is the start date? So this is the start date and start time. You can set an end date as well. And now I'm going to click on save discount. So as soon as we do that, here we can see that the discount has been created. So here we have just created this PABBC discount, right? Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm going to refresh this connection quickly. So let's click on save to go ahead with the existing connection. So as I click on this, it is showing me the different discounts created, and I'm going to select this one. Now the discount code. So in my Google Sheet, I've already created the code. So this is here the code. So once this is done, let's click on save and send. So here we can see that we have received the API response, which basically means that now a discount code must be created in Shopify. Let me show you. So taking you back to Shopify, here we have all the discounts, and within this discount we have got codes, and here is the code that we have just created. So this basically means that our integration is a success, but we also need to check this in real. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my Google Sheet, and here I'm going to add another information. Let's say it is dummy user, and then the email address is dummy@pablitudes.com. Then we have the discount rate. Let's say it is again 25, and the discount code is dummy25. Okay, as soon as I do that, what should happen? Automatically a discount code should be created in Shopify. So now I'm going to take you to Shopify to see if a discount code has been created. Let's refresh this page, and here we can see that the code has been created. Now, what is my next objective? My next objective is to send an email to my customer informing him about the code. So add another action step over here, and this time the application is Gmail. Let's click on this, and the action event would be to send email. Let's click on connect. So here Pabbly Connect is asking to connect itself with the Gmail account. So I'm going to click on add new connection and connect with Gmail. And here we have to select the account. So once selected, it is asking me for the additional access. So this is absolutely secure. I'm going to click on allow. And as I do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Pabbly Connect is now connected with Gmail. And here we have to map this information. First of all, the recipient's email address. So I'm going to go to step 1, and this here is the email address. Then if you wish to enter CC and BCC, you can always do that. What is the sender's name? So it is Pabbly Connect. Now I'm writing this manually. Why? Because this is a static information. It's not going to change. Then the email subject is discount code released. Okay. And then we have the reply to. Email content type is plain. Email content is dear. And here is the name of the person. So dear demo user. So we'll write, your special day is about to get more special as we present to you a discount of 25% on all goods and services. Enter the code, and here I'm going to map the code. For this code, let's go to step 2, and this is the code. Enter the code this, okay, to shop and enjoy. Regards. Right, this is my email. If you have a specific file to be shared, you can here enter the name of the file and the attachment URL. Here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as soon as I do that, here we can see that I have received the API response, which says that the mail has been sent. Let me show you this. And here you can see that yes, we have received this email. So this basically means that our integration is a complete success. So now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to understand what we have done. So here our trigger application was Google Sheets, where the event was new or updated spreadsheet row. Our action application was Shopify, where we had created a discount code. And our final action application was Gmail, where we had sent a mail. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. If in case you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.